If you want to get things done faster with your voice, then Google Assistant is like having a smart helper in your pocket, and here's how to use it. First, make sure it's turned on. To check that on your Android phone, open the Google app and tap on your profile picture. Then go to settings and then go into Google Assistant. If you see an option to turn it on, do that, or else it's already turned on. To launch that, just say hey Google or okay Google. You can also hold the home button and swipe diagonally from the corner depending on your phone model. Once it's up, ask him anything like I am doing. Hey, what's the weather today?
In Taxila, there will be scattered showers with a high of 28 and a low of 19. Right now it's 28
Like that.
and partly cloudy.
And if you want hands-free access, then you have to set up voice match, and for that you have to go to settings and then go to Google Assistant and hey Google and Google voice match, and follow these steps to train your voice. This lets you activate it even if your screen is off. It's super helpful if you are using it while driving or even cooking. You can also use it to control your phone. Just try saying turn on Bluetooth.
There you go.
Look, I can just turn my Bluetooth on like that, or simply turn back off. It also works with smart home devices. If you have smart lights, plugs or thermostats, just link them in the Google Home app and control them with your voice commands. It also works with smart home devices. If you have smart lights, plugs or thermostats, just link them in the Google app and control them with your voice commands. And if you ever want to check your day, you can say what's my schedule today, and it will read out your calendar, weather or reminders, everything in one place. And lastly, if you are worried about your privacy, you can delete your assistant activity. Just say delete what I said today and it will wipe your recent voice commands. And that's it. That is how you can start using Google Assistant. Smart, simple and super useful. If you like the video, just hit like button and subscribe to our channel to get more videos like that.